Have you ever looked at a plain empty wall and thought, this space needs something but I don't want to spend a fortune? Well, today we're turning discarded pallet wood into a beautiful accent wall that looks high-end, cozy, and custom designed, without the expensive price tag. And the best part? You don't need advanced tools, woodworking experience, or a big budget. Just some scrap pallet pieces, patience, and a bit of creativity. Let's begin. Before we start installing anything, we need to prep the wood. Pallet wood usually comes rough, dusty, and uneven. Give each board a light sanding. You don't need to make it perfectly smooth, just take off the splinters and dirt. If your pallets vary in color tone, that's actually great. It makes the wall look richer and more natural once installed. Think of it like natural variation in hardwood flooring. Next, decide on the layout. There are many ways to arrange pallet boards. You could go with the traditional horizontal layout, a modern staggered layout, a vertical statement wall, or even a herringbone or chevron pattern. For this project, we're keeping it simple with a staggered layout that looks professional and clean. Before installing the boards, it's important to decide whether the wall needs a base color. If your wall is bright white, the gaps between boards may show. Simply painting the wall a darker tone, like charcoal or deep brown, can make the final result look intentional and polished. Now it's time to attach the boards. If you want a damage-free method, use strong double-sided mounting tape combined with liquid adhesive. But if you're okay with nails, a brad nailer makes installation fast and strong. Start from the bottom and work upward. Make sure each board is level as you go. As you add boards, step back occasionally to check the overall balance of colors and tones. This makes a huge difference in making your wall look visually harmonious instead of random. Once the wall is covered, it's time for finishing touches. A clear matte finish can protect the wood while maintaining a natural look. If you want something warmer and richer, apply a light stain or oil. Remember, less is more. We are enhancing the wood, not hiding it. And now for the best part, the transformation moment. Step back and look at what you just created. You didn't spend hundreds. You didn't hire a designer. You took scrap wood that most people throw away and made something that looks custom, intentional, and stylish. This accent wall instantly adds warmth and personality to a room. It fits perfectly with minimalist decor, rustic farmhouse, industrial style, or cozy cabin vibes. Lighting plays a huge role too. A soft lamp or LED strip near the wall will bring out the textures even more and make the wall feel alive. And if you're thinking, can I do this in other spaces? Yes, and here are ideas. A bedroom headboard wall, a hallway feature wall, a backdrop for your home office or filming space, a cozy reading nook, even a kitchen or dining room accent. Once you create one pallet accent wall, you'll start seeing new possibilities everywhere. So now you know the secret. Beautiful home decor doesn't require big money, just imagination and a few pallets. If you enjoyed this project and want more DIY decor ideas that look high-end but cost almost nothing, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for the next builds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.